Okay, welcome to my channel, or welcome back again. Today is what day is today, Noah? Tuesday? Wednesday? Are you sure? Okay, it's been 11 days of my stay at home. I've been baking these days, So today I will make cinnamon rolls in the bread maker for the first time actually. So these are my ingredients. I have 4 cups of flour here and some 3 teaspoons of yeast, 2 eggs beaten, 1/2 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I need warm milk, like 1 cup and 2 tablespoons. So here you go. I will put my milk, my liquid first, milk, and then some oil, eggs, and then I'll need to put my flour. Yeah, so the flour like this one. The flour there, so 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 cup of sugar, and then I'll just make a little hole there for my yeast. Down my yeast there. And then put this in the bread maker. It's kind of hard when you're holding one hand with your cell phones. Noah, I need help. I need help putting this, so I'm holding my cell phone. getting into the dough. New number 9. So now it's 9 and set to start. And the dough it's making. See you later. I'm making the filling now. So this is my filling. I have 3 teaspoons of melted butter, 2/3 of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of butter. No, I mean cinnamon, sorry. Yeah, butter is 3 teaspoons melted. And then you mix it, just keep mixing, you know, you get the idea. So guys, I'll see you later when my dough is done. Okay guys, the dough is ready and I'm about to make the rolls. So right now I'm just working on the dough and make a flat surface so I can put the filling. So I'll show you later when it's done. Okay guys, see you. Filling now. Just scatter here and leave some 1 inch on the side so it doesn't come out. So guys, so just keep doing it, okay? So here it is. I'm gonna make a log now and then cut it. Okay, I'm making the log. Cutting now, so how many inch? 1 inch? 1 inch stick. See you later guys, and just keep cutting here. Okay guys, here's my cinnamon rolls. It's ready for baking, but I'll let it for about 25 minutes here because I want to, but you don't have to. So yeah, so 25 minutes. Hey guys, the cinnamon rolls in the oven right now baking. So I'll see you later when it's done. And also I'm making some glaze. It's brown sugar, granulated sugar, butter, and milk, and vanilla as well. Okay, I can't wait. It smells yummy and delicious. Guys, my cinnamon rolls are done, so now I'm drizzling it. Here you go, just drizzle with this yummy glaze. Yeah. And then the other one, the other three are smaller for small people. Just joking. Okay, so just glaze, more glaze here. There you go, and let it cool for about 20 minutes. And it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you will subscribe. Thank you for watching again. See you later. Bye.